What's the meaning of contour line? Contour line. Contour line.
Contour line. Contour line. A contour line is a type of map symbol that represents the shape and elevation of the land. Contour lines connect points on a map that are at the same height above sea level. These lines form closed loops, which allow us to visualize the three-dimensional shape of the land on a two-dimensional map. The distance between contour lines indicates the steepness of the slope, closer lines mean steeper terrain, and farther lines mean flatter terrain. Contour lines help hikers, surveyors, and mapmakers understand the physical features of the land.